What are the disadvantages of relying on a probate court in order to manage your minor child's inheritance? So, if there's inheritance from a minor child, you're going to have to set up a guardianship, and then that'll have to be monitored and maintained by the probate court. As far as I see, there are pretty much two big disadvantages. The first big disadvantage is that the probate court might not value the same things that you value for your kids. And if you don't have something setting forth what you want the money to be used for, the probate court could just go ahead and make and substitute their own opinion for what they think is a valuable expenditure of money versus what you think. It's the first thing. Second thing is it becomes much more costly. So the cost associated with it would require you to, if you're going to make any big expenditures, you have to go to the court, file a motion and get it approved by the court. You have to file periodic accountings with the court and get the court to approve the expenditures. So a lot of times this will require a lawyer's intervention for most people. So those are the two things that I believe would be a disadvantage. One of the ways that you can overcome that is you can have a trust. And the trust can either be a living trust, that's one that you set up while you're alive, or it can be a testamentary trust, and the testamentary trust would go through your will, and therefore you would set up the trust and you would set up the ground rules of what the trustee should do to manage your child's inheritance. You can say, you can be very strict, you can be very loose, and you can give the trustee the absolute discretion on how to spend the money. But it would be your rules and your playbook as opposed to having a court administrator determine what is the best use of your child's inheritance money. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.